Easy to miss.
Easy to miss, yeah. They should have like a little sign, but maybe they don't want everybody in the world coming here to NISMO. They're like, only if you have a GT-R, you will come. If not, then go to Daikoku. GT-R's only NISMO. Alrighty. This go to the right. I'm thinking. Alrighty. We're rolling in here. Hey, look at that 4-door Skyline R34 GT-R. Yeah, well, let's park. I want to park right next to the NISMO sign so I can get pictures. We just got to NISMO Omori Factory. Look at this beautiful, wonderful place right here. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Brought both of our R34 GT-Rs, which both have NISMO parts on it. You know, we both have the NISMO front diffuser. We both have NISMO side skirts and the NISMO rear flap on both of our cars. I have the NISMO LM GT4 wheels. He has the TE37s on them. Let me get out of his picture real quick. But anyways, we brought both of our Sonic Silver 1999 R34 GT-Rs here, and it's gonna be pretty cool to go in there, check it out, see what they got going on in there. I'm looking forward to it. This is absolutely an incredible experience to be here. Come to Japan, visit these iconic shops, these iconic places, bring our iconic cars, and now we get the opportunity to just experience this cool Japanese car culture. But man, I'm looking forward to it. Let's go inside. Let's show you all the details, because there's some even cooler cars in there than our cars, and we got to show you. This is my first time in here. I literally haven't walked through. Oh my God, this place is absolutely beautiful. I see a race car on a wall. That is absolutely, oh my goodness gracious. We got motors here, RBs, RB26s, you name it, twin turbos. You got parts, you got carbon fiber, you got shirts, you got jackets, you got everything you can possibly think of. You even have these, oh my God, this NISMO S1 motor. Wow, RBs, absolutely beautiful. Helmets from people who have raced for Nissan. This is absolutely incredible. Look at this gorgeous thing. Oh my goodness. And this infamous, I love the colors on this. I've seen videos, I've seen pictures of this thing, but nothing does it justice except actually coming here and checking it out in person. I hope you guys who are watching this can literally see how cool this is. And this is like the real life race car. I mean, you can still see like bits and pieces of rubber. You can see it's been sandblasted a little bit because of, you know, when you race, you get sandblasted basically by people in front of you. Obviously, it didn't get sandblasted that much because there wasn't that many people in front of this as it was winning races and doing work on the track. Holy moly, you see all these trophies and all this fun stuff, man, but who cares about that? Let's look at the race cars. Oh my goodness gracious, this is absolutely beautiful. And then look at this piece right here, R35, super wide body race car, Motul, Autotech. Wow. This thing, absolutely incredible. Again, super clean. This is awesome. And then they got a shop in there. We'll go check that out in a moment. But these things are just an absolute beautiful beast. I would love to fire this thing up and drive it. This would be super fun. I need to go to the Chevrolet Corvette factory and see what they got going on, because this is just absolutely beautiful. Look at this thing. I mean, every bit and piece. I mean, it's so clean. I hope this video does justice so you can just see. Look at these massive brakes on here. These wheels. I mean, this thing has been raced, it's been run. This is the real deal. This is not a show car. This is a go car. I mean, you can even see right in there. I'm not going to go all up in there, but I mean, this is legit. The real deal. The real McCoy. These Michelin tires on here. Massive AP brakes. Single lug nut. I mean, this is the real deal. Carbon fiber everywhere. Just absolute piece of work. I mean, you see everything on this car. Oh my goodness, I wish I could just fire this up. Now let's go see where they have the street cars at, right? You see a whole bunch of street cars, things being built almost from pretty much ground up. And look how clean these are. I mean, beautiful, beautiful pieces. Super clean. I mean, these cars you could eat off of. Look at these things. Wow. Yeah, I see. Now I see those. Oh wow. Popping the hood for this 33 right here. It's a beautiful thing. Wow, look at this motor. This is cool. Wow.
Oh, why it's cut in the middle? It's like this one?
Yeah, this one is in the tool. It's supposed to have this duct.
Oh, and that's why it looks like that. Oh, I see. We have the NISMO body kit. We have the full kit, but we don't have the hood yet.
Even the bathrooms here at NISMO Omori Factory are cool. They got like camshafts and everything here. Brakes. Mirror right in the middle. That's pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Look at this toilet. Does it say anything cool in it? No, no NISMO sticker on it. Surprised. I need to buy something from here. I gotta find something for my GT-R. Maybe I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna get something. I gotta get something before I leave here. There's a lot of cool stuff here. I might walk out of here with new turbos or something, I don't know. Oh, shift knobs. I've been wanting to change my shift knob. I might end up getting one of these right now. In fact, I'm gonna start looking right now. I'm gonna start looking. I'm not the person to normally get that kind of stuff, but today's the day. I'm here. I don't get to come here often, so I might be able to make some moves. Cool store. A lot of cool stuff going on in this store. Let you guys check everything out. Look at these turbos here. Little miniature ones, bigger ones, you name it. You got injectors, you got everything. You even got apparel here. Cool apparel. So we ended up buying these keychains and also bought this little carbon fiber part that fits right there under the hood, right above your radiator, and you can only buy it here at NISMO Omori. You cannot buy it online, so I'm pretty pumped. Exclusive. So basically that's what it's gonna look like on the cars. It's Jay's car right there. Mine will look the same right there when we put it on. It's exclusive to Omori Factory here, Nissan. You cannot buy it online. You can't buy it anywhere else. You got to come straight here and do it. That's why we bought it, because not many people are going to come straight here and do it, and we did. So yeah, amazing time here at NISMO Omori with our GT-Rs. Super cool to be here. You know, it was awesome. It's time to roll.